Today, I'll show you how to perform chip shots on FC25. So for this to work, you need to press the player run modifier button plus the shot button. So by default, the player run modifier button is set to L1, and that's the button that you'll use to perform chip shots. So let me show you how to do it. So L1 and the shot button, and that performs as chip shots. So let me do that one more time. And there are chip shots. Those are chip shots. However, if you have changed the player run modifier button to another button, so for instance, if you change it to R2, you have to press R2 in order for you to perform a chip shot. So for instance, if you change the player run modifier to, let's say, R1, so this R1 will be used to perform chip shots. So go back and save the settings. And then once you go back, that will perform a chip shot, as you can see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.